In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for messages on WhatsApp web. Whether you're looking to sift through all your chats or just a specific conversation, the process is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive into this useful feature that helps you quickly find the information you need. First, let's tackle searching across all of your chats. In those moments when you need to find a particular keyword, contact name, phone number, or phrase across your entire chat history, the search bar can be your best friend. Start by navigating to the chat list interface on WhatsApp web. You will notice a search bar conveniently located at the top. This is your entry point for locating any message or conversation within every chat you've ever had. Simply click on this search bar and start typing. You might be looking for a specific keyword that you remember from a previous conversation, or perhaps the name of a contact or their phone number. As you type, WhatsApp will begin to populate a list of results that match your search term. This instant feedback makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you see the result you want, select it and you'll be taken directly to the chat where the match was found. This process is invaluable for those busy days when pinpointing a particular message can save a lot of time. Now, let's go a bit deeper and explore how to search within a specific chat. This is particularly useful when you know exactly which conversation contains the information you're after. Begin by opening the conversation you want to search through. Once you're inside the chat, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see a magnifying glass icon. This is your search tool for the specific chat. Click on the magnifying glass, which will prompt a new search bar to appear within that chat. Now type the word or phrase you're looking for into this search bar, just as we did when searching across all chats. Once you've entered your search term, press enter. This will generate a list of all the instances that match your search query within that specific conversation. As you navigate through these results, you'll be able to review each instance until you find exactly what you need. By following these steps, you'll master searching both across all chats and within a specific chat on WhatsApp web. It's a simple yet powerful tool that not only saves you time, but also enhances your overall messaging experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching and happy searching.